host. It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I've been enjoying the holiday season and I realized that I have not been filming. So we are going to do something we've never done on this channel before. We're doing a double unboxing for the brown sugar box. So we're going to do November and December's. December's literally just came in today. I was surprised the mailman was delivering. So I have December's and we have November. And I'll just kind of quickly show you what's in each box. This is a Black Lifestyle box if you're not familiar with the brown sugar box. This box is a monthly lifestyle box. It comes every month. It ships at the end of the month, and the box contains a t-shirt every month. Every month they have a theme with different kind of items related to the theme. The box itself costs $42 plus $8.95 for shipping and handling and tax based on where you live. But without any further delay, let's kind of get right into this thing. So I hope everybody's doing well. Since I feel like I haven't been on here for a minute though. Anywho, let's go. So this is our box for November for the brown sugar box. I do have one item that was outside of the box, so I'm going to show that to you guys first. But this is the November box we're going to do first and followed by the December. So let's go. So the first item out of our box is going to be this. We got a journal, guys. So I'm going to take it out of here. This is really pretty, actually. This is like a great gift for someone as well. But I'm going to take it out of here so the glare is not like blinding you. So I can kind of really show it to you. But yeah, we got a journal in the November one. And when I get into the box, I'll show you what the theme is. But yeah, so this is the journal. And front and back, but I love it. I love journaling. I think it's a good way to kind of reflect on your thoughts, where you were at a point in your life, your lessons you've learned. I just think it's just good for your mental space to kind of have somewhere to put how you're feeling. And I like the journal. So this one, we just have some line pages in here. And I think this is really nice. This is nice. This is a nice gift for somebody if you need to too, that you know enjoys journaling. So I think this is cute. So we're going to get right in our box. We have this beautiful little lady in on the front here. And let me find our little magazine card, because then I can quickly go through here. It's somewhere in here. I got it packed, let me tell you. Okay, so this is the front of our magazine, like the young lady on our box. I love the artwork. So we have Step Into the Month of Anaya, and this is what our lovely lady on the front is. And then the theme for the November box was Comfort Rituals. And we have a value for the month of November for $102. So the journal that I just showed you guys, which is really funny, it's not the same journal that I received. So these are two other journals than what I just showed you guys, which I thought was really funny, because mine is not what's on the cover there, which is really cool. The journals are valued at $14, guys, and it says these eye-catching mixed prints and embroidered journals feature unique PU covered designs and blending bold prints and intricate embroidery that captures the essence of the culture. So you get 200 line pages is what's in the journal here. But yeah, it says perfect for capturing dreams, affirmations, and simple planning your next move. Awesome. So let's go to the next thing in here. The next thing I pulled out, this looks like a hair massager. Let's see. It is. So we did get a hair massager. So this is how it looks, a scalp massager. This they're valuing at $15, and it says unwind and elevate your hair care rituals with this comfort focused scalp massager. So it has silicone bristles and it can easily glide over your scalp. I like doing a scalp massage. So this is valued at $15. There were a total of 4 prints all together. So that is what we got in this box. So let's go to the next thing that's in our box here. And guys, I did get some socks. So I have 3 pair of socks set. This is valued at $24. So let me show you. This is the first one, design, second design, and this is the fourth design. This is so cute. I like this. This is so cute, and they actually feel like they're nice quality socks. So they don't feel cheap or thin. They feel like nice quality socks. So you got 3 packs, and our little information says, add a pop of culture and personality to your step with these vibrant 3-pair sock set. Each pair is crafted and blended with 80% cotton, 17% polyester, and 3% spandex. So this is nice. I like this. So let's see the next thing that was in this box. And I have also a shower cap. It looks like we have. And the shower cap is valued at $8. Or is that $18? It's $18, my bad. Let me pop it out of here so I can show it to you. So this is the shower cap that we have. Oh, and it has like little ties on it, look. So you could kind of, it has elastic in the front here and then a tie in the back, which I think is great because if your hair is like mine, and you could kind of tie it as you need it to keep your shower cap in place. Not bad. This is valued again. This is $18. Wrap your hair in a cozy, stylish protection with this comfort-inspired shower cap. It's made to fit most sizes. It offers a snug barrier against moisture and lets you relax and pamper yourself without worrying. And I like this. So this is valued again at $18. It's not lined or anything inside with like any kind of satin lining. It's more like another plastic. That's the only, I guess, down thing. I would love to have like a shower cap that had like a satin kind of lining in it because I feel like it would protect your hair more. So the next thing that we got, let's go on to the next one. So we got a shower cap. We have, they also put our little booklet in here, the volume 8. Brown Sugar Babe's Guide to Comfort Rituals. So this they're valuing at $5, and this one is basically a 30-day guide of grounding practices and moments crafted to bring warmth, joy, and peace in your daily life. So you know they normally have different little things in here. I'm just kind of flipping through and showing you really quick. But yeah, they put this in every month. So let's move on to the next thing. The next thing we are down. This is odd. Guys, I'm supposed to just have the shirt of the month. I have 2. I have 2 shirts. And that's not what's on our little magazine card here. So I have something extra. Wow. Now, I do have this shirt already. I'm going to show you this one here. So, because this is not the shirt of the month. This is something extra. So let me show you. We've received this shirt earlier in the year, but they sent me the Brown Sugar Babe shirt. So I like this shirt, but apparently I got a second one, and I don't know why, because it's not on here at all that I should have received this. And I don't see that there's anything missing out of our box. So I have something extra, y'all. But let me show you the shirt of the month. So I'll go right to the shirt of the month because that's the last thing. And this is our shirt of the month, guys. This is cute. I like it. That is nice. I like the colors and the face, the artwork. Very beautiful. Love that. And I always get a size large, guys, for my shirt of the month. So guys, overall, let's run through everything that came in our box. We have our 3-pack of socks. We have our shower cap. We have our scalp massager, and my shower cap and the scalp massager are the same print. We also have our Brown Sugar Guide Volume 8 little booklet here for the comfort rituals. I have a journal, and I have our shirt of the month, and I have an extra shirt that is not in my magazine at all. So if you guys got an extra item, let me know. But yeah, I wasn't expecting this, so that was kind of a surprise to me. So that's alright, guys. So my box for December just arrived today, which is a Sunday, and let's open her up and see what came for this month for December's box. So I think it's great they got it here before Christmas, which is very important. And I'm curious to see what all we got. This is our invoice that they normally send. I don't feel nothing on the outside of the box. So this is December's box, guys. Isn't that cute? I like this. The artwork on these are really good. I don't know who is doing it, but they're doing a great job. So let's pop this one open and get into this one. Alright, this one is also packed and packed and packed. Okay, let me find our little magazine and we'll start from that point. And oh, this is thick like a... Oh, we got our calendar! I was expecting to grab the magazine and I grabbed this. Oh, look, I got a calendar for 2025. Oh, okay, so I do love getting Izzy and Liv's calendar. I think they do a great job with the calendars, with the artwork, and I do enjoy them. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick some of the pictures. So we got our calendar for 2025, and they always have such great artwork. Look at that. August. Oh, so cute. Love. Look, this is my month. October, honey. Yes. All the Libras. Yes. So, yeah. Isn't this nice? This is December for 2025. Love it. And then this is what the back of it looks like. And this is the front. So, the first item I showed you guys is our calendar for 2025. Awesome. I'm still digging in here. Okay, so here is our magazine. This is young lady on the front. This month we have the Spirit of Naomi. So that is cute. So let Naomi inspire us to unplug and reflect, set the vibe, prepare for what's next. So I think that's cool. So this month's theme is wind down and rest. This box is valued at $142. So that's what we got here. Our calendar is valued at, what was the calendar? Calendar is valued at $18. So that was the first item I showed you guys. So let's get going. So I'm going to start with what's on top. I don't know what this is, but we'll find out together. Let's see, getting in here, getting in here. It's a satin bonnet perfect for people with me, like with braids. Look. And it has the band right here in the front. So this is like a satin bonnet with edge ties is what they're calling it. They're valuing this at $25. You could have received 1 in 5 colors. So the 5 are on the bottom here. And yeah, it comes down pretty long, so it's great for somebody like me. You're wearing your long braids or your boho locks. Perfect. So that's the second item out of our box here. So let's go to the next one. What is this? So we got this item is the next item I just pulled out of here. Are these pajamas or something? What is this? So this is the print. This is a shirt. Oh, okay, it's a shirt, guys. What did they say about this shirt? This is a button-up sleep shirt. You could have received 1 in 4 print, and it's valued at $40. Cozy up with the ultimate style with this soft and breathable sleep shirt, available in 1 in 4. Design with both comfort and elegance in mind. So we have a sleep shirt. So I would say this is probably cool for lounging around the house or just chilling out. Interesting print, very unique prints on here. So yeah, sleep shirt. I got large, so it looks like it's an oversized shirt, which is great if you're going to be comfy to be lounging around. So that's what we're hoping. It's a very, comfortable shirt. So let's hit the next thing. What is this? They really packed this box this month. Let's see what this is. Does it say what it is on the bottom? No. Okay. Looks like some kind of throw or something. Let's see. Oh, it is some kind of throw. Let me figure out where the top is. Okay, this is a throw. This is nice. So it's a lady. Very nice. It's a nice fleece one too. Like you could just snuggle up. I like these kind of throws here. These are the ones you could kind of take with you to the movies or on the airplane. But yeah, this thing is really, really long, guys. So for the throw is you could have received 1 of 5 prints, and it's a 50 by 60 inch fleece blanket. So it's a blanket, and it says wrap yourself in warmth and culture with this vibrant fleece blanket, featuring 1 in 6 prints as generous size as it's for snuggling up and winding down. So that is nice. That is nice right there. I love that. So there's some really unique looking prints on here too. So that's really cool. Yeah, but it's really soft, guys. It's like not pretend soft, but like, yeah, you could like be knocked out on the chair with this one. And this is cute. I like this one. This was good. And then we also have, we're not done yet. We have a week by week planner pad. Look at that. What is in here? Oh, okay. So this is like, it has like things to do. What else? Is it just for each week? Yeah, the same thing. So you could kind of plan your week out, what you need to work on. This is good for work, or if you're trying to get some habits, new habits you're starting. I think that's great. So we got a week by week planner. What is that valued at? That is valued at $14. It says organize and inspire with a sleek desk pad, planner pad designed for keeping track of your weekly goals and tasks, and it's essential tool for balancing productivity and self-care. I like that. And the last item in our box is our booklet here. We have this month's booklet is the Wind Down Guide Volume 9 Brown Sugar, and this one is valued at $6. Yeah, $6. So I don't think they even give you anything, but you know it's a little booklet. They put them in every month. I think it's cute. A good way to help us kind of figure out how to relax and take care of ourselves. So yeah, that is our box. So in review, we got our Brown Sugar Guide booklet for December. We got our week by week planner. We have this wonderful little fleece blanket here that you can snuggle up with and relax. That's so cute. I like this. We have a satin bonnet for our braided hairstyles, girls, or locks. We have our 2025 calendar. We have, I'm missing something. What did I do with the shirt? Oh, it's in my lap. And we have a comfortable sleep shirt here to relax and kind of relax and chill out. Which kind of goes great with the chick that's on the front, because I think this looks like, you know, she would have, you know, she's all cozied up holding her cup of coffee. So yeah, I think they got that one, wind down the rest. So guys, that was both boxes. Let me know what you guys thought about the November and the December box. And did you guys get that extra shirt, or is it just me? Did I get something extra? I'm just kind of curious to see what everybody else has got. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. If you have not already, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post. But happy holidays. Happy holidays. So hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas if you celebrate. If you celebrate something else, I wish you a very happy holiday and enjoy the rest of your day.